Okay guys, welcome to Art the Builder part 3. Now, because we are in Michigan, the weather is extremely different. But as you can see, we put in the decking. There's more studs where they should be nowadays. Because we had them all spaced out, now they're actually 2 feet. So it's coming along. I'm tired. It's my weekend off. Well, it's always supposed to be my weekend off, but it's not. Because we're here working, trying to get ahead. So we got all the tools out. I got my trusty little helper here. Noah, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay, what are you helping me? What are you helping me do?
I'm helping you measure the pieces, how long they are.
Yep. Yeah, you're a very good helper. So it's hard to, guess, be a dad and keep your kids incorporated in this and make sure everybody's safe at the same time.
Daddy,
What's that?
how long is this one?
That's 96 inches.
96.
Yep.
That's a very long number.
Yes, it is. Do you remember what type of wood that is, or what it's called?
What?
That type of wood. Remember what the measurement is? 2x4. Anyways, that's a work in progress. Then they're taking my wood and they're sort of mimicking what I'm doing. They're like building a project off over on the side. They're making houses too, and I told them they have to take all the wood and put it back, but now it's just turning into a big pile of messy wood. But you know what? They will be productive, young, hardworking boys here, and eventually men. So at the end of the day, I can't complain. I'm glad they're with me. Alright guys, just updating you. Signing out.